Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome to MOCA'S world. So it's the beginning of March and the weather is starting to get warm very slowly. The nighttime is really cold still, but I thought I would get some things started. So here I have my thyme that I planted last season, a little bit late, but I thought I'd get an early start this year. So I have some here. They're really tiny. I'm just going to plant as many as I can in this container here and hope they grow. Quite a few seeds. They almost look like specks of dust, but they came directly from the bag. I also have a container of coriander seeds. These I usually use in my cooking, but I thought I would plant several of them because I love cilantro so much. I did try to grow some, but they didn't do so well, but maybe because it was winter time and they were indoors or not getting direct sun. So we're going to plant some of those randomly here as well and see if they yield anything. I'm just planting several here because I'm just happy if I see them sprout. And once they sprout, I can transplant them to a bigger pot. Okay, so let's set this to the side. So this is some dried seeds that I salvaged from my callaloo plants. I have fresh callaloo seeds that I'm going to plant some of. This was from last season as well. I started very late, so I'm trying to get an early start this time. But these are the clusters, green clusters that you usually see when the plant is, very old. And I'm going to see if I can salvage some seeds from it. The seeds are the little black things or brown things. Here we have a few there. This is 3. Let me just see if I can pinch them. They're so tiny. Just drop them in there randomly and hopefully they'll grow. I'll do a mixture of these and the seeds directly from the little bag that I have. And hopefully we'll get a good yield this season because I really love callaloo. This is a Jamaican type of callaloo. I think the other name for it is amaranth, but I know it as callaloo from Jamaica. Let's see if I can find another batch that might have some. This looks like it might be good. There's a couple seeds there. The problem I had last season was because I planted it so late. Well, the summer itself wasn't the best summer. I think we had maximum 3 weeks of warm, sunny weather. And the rest of the time we had some cold spells or chilly days in between. So that really messed with them. And they put a lot of these tufts of, it's like a seed cluster. They put quite a lot out in response to the cold weather. So I decided I was going to save them with the hope that it could give some seeds. So see, this one has quite a few seeds. If you see those black things, there's the seeds. It's interesting that some clusters have seeds and some don't, but I'm definitely going to plant that seed and the rest in here because I did actually have 2 types of the callaloo. One had a more like reddish stem and one was just a traditional green stem one. So one was from a different cluster from somewhere else. So all right, so let's see if we can get a few more. Well, this has quite a few seeds in this one. I love that. I love that. Okay, let's see. Hopefully they will yield something though. It's one thing to have seeds, but you don't know if they'll actually yield something. So I'm just, you know, being very generous in this little tiny pot here and hoping for the best with these seeds. Hopefully they'll yield something. So I have quite a few left, so I'm going to save that. I'll see how these do, and maybe I'll plant another pot of them a little bit later on. It's still early on in the season, so we have the whole summer into fall. Right now it's early March, so to be safe, I'm going to take a few from here, 5 or so. I'm going to plant them in the same pot as well and spread them out, and hopefully they will yield something. So now let's put that off to the side. I'm going to just cover this one with some soil. Cover this one as well. Tends to get compact once you start to water it regularly, so I'm not too worried about that. Okay. And now spritz both of them. The soil is moist already, but I just want to make sure the seeds themselves are moistened. And I'm going to just place these by a window and water them regularly. I'll take a video maybe in about 7 days. Hopefully there will be some sign of life, and go from there. I have this window box inside. I have soybeans here. I was milling some soybeans with my Kenwood mill attachment, so I thought I'd pull these 3 out to plant them to see if they would amount to anything. They're very dry, so I'm very curious to see if they'll grow into some soybean plants, and I've never grown soybeans before either. So I'm going to put some here just beneath the surface of the soil. Spread them out a little bit, cover them. I also have some bell pepper seeds. I planted several before, and these are the ones I have left. So I'm going to spread those out along the edges here. Hopefully they'll grow. Normally I would plant these in a small pot and then transplant them, but to save on time, because these kind of grow like weeds, I thought I would just plant them directly in the pot here. As I said, I planted a few yesterday, so I don't want to overwhelm this pot. I also have some fresh tomato seeds, and then I'm going to just drop them directly in the soil, because these also grow like weeds. So I'm putting those in the middle here just to keep them separate. Although tomatoes are very distinctive, I just love the fact that they grow so easily. So this 2 little spoons full of seeds here will yield so many plants. And these are like the larger beef steak type of tomatoes. I thought I would plant some more of the coriander seeds here in the middle, since I love it so much. Maybe these will yield a lot. I'm hoping. I really would love a nice healthy plant this year. Just spread them out. And once they grow, I'll just put them in their own pot, probably, because this one is really meant for the bell peppers that I did last year. They did well until they didn't. It got too cold because I planted them originally too late in the season, and they were doing well, and then it got cold, and before I could harvest them because they weren't ready, I left them a little bit too long outside and they succumbed to the cold weather. I won't make that mistake again this year. Thought I'd plant some more tomato seeds. These are cherry tomatoes, so I'll just do a cluster here and there, and these grow like weeds, so I'll be happy when these grow as well. That was delicious, so I'll just cover that. So I decided to pull some of my sunflower seeds and plant them as well. I don't know if these were toasted. It doesn't really say this on the packaging, so I'm gonna just attempt to plant a few of them and hopefully they turn into sunflowers. I'm just going to put some on the edge here, and let's see if anything comes of them. We'll just focus them in this area right here, more on the outer parts of it since I put the other things in the middle. And again, I'll spritz those. And as the topsoil dries out, you do have to spritz it with water because we don't want the seeds to dry out too much. So while they're in this early stage, it's best to use a spray bottle so that you don't add too much water to it. I'll check these out in about 7 to 10 days, see if I see anything, maybe 2 weeks. Hopefully we'll have some new seedlings. Have you started planting your garden as yet? If not, get to it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified about new episodes.